Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied some time and intelligence DAX functions. And now in today's class guys, we will also learn more about some more time and intelligence DAX functions. So here are the topics guys which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. It returns a table that contains a column of all dates from the next day, based on the first date specified in the dates column in the current context. And here we have just only one parameter, which is dates. So guys, this function only returns next day. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and apply this DAX function. So under this practical page guys, I have taken one table visual and we have date column and sales. And this is the total sales guys, and this is the slicer. So firstly I will simply apply next day. So I will go here on new measure and let me rename this measure name as next day. And now I will write my DAX function, which is next day. And here we have just only one parameter, which is dates. So I will simply select this date column, which is from new table, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is our measure guys, and now let me drag and drop it here. And now I will go here and change the format. So here you can see guys, it returning the next day. So the first day is January 1st and the next day is 2nd of January. So here you guys can see it returning the next day. The 2nd of next is 3rd and the 3rd of next is 4th. So in this way guys, this function will work. And now let's suppose guys, we want to calculate the sale of next day. So let me edit this DAX function. So I will simply go here on formula bar and apply calculate DAX function here. And under expression parameter guys, I will take sum of total sales and close the bracket and put it comma here. And hit enter. So here guys we can see it returning the next day of the sale, which is 3399 9672. So in this way guys, you guys can use this next day DAX function. And now let's go to the next topic of our today's class, which is next month. So let's go to the reference page and read the definition first. It also returns a table that contains a column of all dates from the next month, based on the first date in the dates column in the current context. And again guys, we have same parameter, which is dates. So let's go to the practical page and apply this DAX function. So let me copy this DAX function and I will go here on new measure and paste it here. And let me rename this measure name as next month. And from here guys, I will also change the DAX function, which is next month, and hit enter. So here is our measure guys, and now let me drag and drop it here. So here we guys can see it returning the next month of the sale. And now let's cross check. So if I expand this quarter, and the next month is February. So let me click here on February. So here we guys can see the next month of the sale is 143229. And let me uncheck this, which is 143229, which is totally correct. So I hope guys now you are clear how we calculate next day and next month. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class, which is next quarter. So let's go to the reference page and read the definition first. It also returns a table that contains a column of all dates in the next quarter, based on the first date specified in the dates column in the current context. And again we have same parameter, which is date. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and apply this next quarter DAX function. So again I will go here and copy this measure. And now I will click here on new measure. And let me simply paste it here. And now I will rename this as next quarter. And now I will go here and change the measure name, which is next quarter, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is our measure guys, and now let me drag and drop it here. So let me drag it here. So here we guys can see it returning next quarter sale. And now let's cross check. So the first quarter is Jan, Feb, March. and the next quarter is April, May and June. So let me click this next quarter. So here answer is 474,577, which is totally correct. So I hope guys now you are clear how we can calculate next quarter sale. And now let's move towards the last DAX function of our today's class, which is next year. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. It also returns a table that contains a column of all the dates in the next year, based on the first date in the dates column in the current context. And here we have two parameters, dates and year end dates. And this parameter is optional guys, so we can skip it. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and apply this DAX function. So I will go here and click on new measure, because we have already copied the last DAX function. And now I will paste it here. And let me rename this DAX function name as next year. And from here guys, I will also change the measure name next year and hit enter. So let me drag and drop this measure here. So here we guys can see the next year sale is 1914607. And now let's cross check. So this is the next year guys. So let me click on this 2023. So here answer is 1914607, which is totally correct. So I hope guys now you are clear with all the DAX function of our today's class, which is next day, next month, next quarter and next year. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorial guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you will also find some latest interview question and answers. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you advanced scenarios and interview rounds. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. And for the free learners guys, we have this free YouTube channel. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.